And today I have two boxes. So I have a LOL surprise boys and LOL surprise girl. And let's start unboxing. First we will unbox the boy. Okay. You have time for it? Try to unbox it like this. What are you doing? Hello, my boy. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing this? What is anyone doing? Get the heroes out. Get that hero. This hero. We should save the hero. Oh, it's so beautiful. This boy. Oh, I found the one surprise. Yeah, another surprise. Look at this. It's so cool. That was me. Wow, it's so sparkly. That's so sparkly. But we have to save the boy. Okay, we save the boy. We have to open it. Yeah, so I open it. I'm trying to get it out, but what should we do? I don't know. Use our hands to unbox this, or how to unbox it? It's actually working, how to do it? Wait, we should get it out from something. Yes, let's go again. There's a secret way. See it? Okay, time to remove this boy. You see this boy? I unbox in the secret way and time to get him out. So hard to get him out. I can hardly get him. I can't get him. Get it out. Hey, stop. I can't open it. I can't get it out here. Oh, okay. Are you kidding me? This was a secret way? I didn't know this. I have more surprises. Okay, I'll get these surprises out. This prizes. And Steve. Oh, this is the checklist. What is this one? Look. And we have to get this boy out of here. Trying to get him out. Oh no, his legs. Oh no, his leg. That was just his armor. What happened to these legs? Oh no, another prize. That's checklist. Okay, he's gonna get it in no time. Wow. Okay, now we have to remove this. Oh no, his head! Oh no, how do we remove this hat? Oh, I have, this is the way? Okay, I'll put the head back on. We have to get this outfit out. But how? Oh, we have to remove the head. Look at him! This is how we unbox the boy, but we have to get his whole body. There's more prizes there. And more prize. Wait, no, don't open. Please open it. Okay, no, don't. This is how we open it. Now time to open
Get the
this.
checklist. Sit there.
List.
Look, this checklist. This checklist. Look, give me this book.
Oh, this is a coin how to play to get some surprises. Okay. Wait, what do I do with this? I don't know. Maybe we do nothing. This is how we do it.
I want to do it. I want to do it so fast.
We should have taken it first. Oh, this is how we do the unboxing for the boys. Time to make the girl. There's no. Oh, where's the other surprises? Is there some surprises up here? Oh, there's some surprises. I'm trying to get them out. to open this way to really get the surprises out of here.
Where's Mother Moses?
Yep, I forgot some surprises. What is this? Okay, I'll open this. Oh, this is the way how to open? Oh, do you see the bottle peeking out? I'm gonna open it. Oh, the shoes. And the pants. There's the helmet. There's a piece of the helmet. There's 2 legs. 2 arms. Oh, where's this arm? This arm. 2 body parts. 2 hands. And another one of these. And time to wear this outfit. This is a short. This is a jacket. And this is a bottle. And this is shoes. And this is a skateboard. And let's start giving him his outfit. First, we have to give him his jacket.
Okay, the jacket.
Okay, the jacket is going to be in his. So he has to have it completely
Why can't I put the
on his.
corner? Please.
Oh, okay. Now to put his shorts. Okay, does it fit on him? Does it try to squeeze him? Look at his full outfit. Oh, try to put his shoes. And give him his water bottle in his hands. And if we want to wear him in this outfit, and you want to give him the helmet or anything, you should try it. But you have to put the head on if you finish dressing him up.
Put this one. Put this one
Okay,
on
he's
this.
gonna ride the skateboard. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's see if he color changes or not. So let's go feed him his water bottle. Feed him some water. Oh, I see the water coming inside the bottle. Okay, time to feed him it.
But the else we can't changing on the airport.
He's drinking the water.
Look at the car changing on the carpet. Look at the car Look it.
He drank all the water. Oh, he forgot some water.
Hey, look at the car changing. What's so cool?
Aww. Let's see if he does something. Oh, he spits. Okay, let me feed him again.
Look at this. Look at the airport.
And then feed him.
Look at the airport.
Do you see him drinking? Look! The water bottle has orange and clear, so we can see the water going inside. Stop putting the skateboard. Okay. And
The airport. There's the airport. I put no car changing. Oh, this car.
is he gonna do something?
Look at him.
He spits. Okay, time to see if he color changes. Oh, we have to remove his jacket and his outfit. The head.
This airport.
The pants, I should remove it. How to do it, I don't know how. So I took off his clothes and time to see if he color changes or not.
I don't know.
In the cold water
I
he
wanna put
doesn't. Even in the warm water. Oh, no color. So I really love LOLs because it was my favorite when I was 2 years. And when I wear this dress as 2 years, and I became so happy that I have this LOL doll. Put his checkered pants back, and I'll put his helmet back. Oh, okay. First, I have to really put his head back, and then I'll give him back his helmet. The back of the helmet, and
Put
the
his
other
apron back.
piece of the helmet. Then,
Put this on.
oh,
Put this.
I thought it was not upside down.
Put this on there. This boots.
So I like this.
I put this pads now. Put this pads.
Head, and now the body. Time to find the other part.
I put this
And
corner.
the
That
other
is clean. Put the corner.
Time to close it.
I put the corner. Let's put this.
Oh.
Put this back.
Put the legs. I put the arms. Time to put the last arm. And put it. Time to put him back inside his home. This is where he lives.
Yes, I'm pouring this. The
His
pudding.
home is the arcade. So he has to go inside his video games and save
Put this
everyone.
big A-board. Why you don't put this A-board back?
And trying to close him in. Oh, the skateboard. Give me. And
Put this. Put this.
okay, I'll put these.
Okay, put it.
Oh, I forgot to see in the collection what is his name. Oh,
See?
trying to see what's his name.
I don't know. Let's put the window.
Uh-huh.
Put this window in it.
Okay, what was his name?
Okay, I can put this bottle back.
Cool Cat and Qua. Wait, the girl one. Look at the girl one. Infinity Queen and Starling. VR Dude, Cyber, Gear
Let
Guy,
me put it
Phantom,
back.
Fanboy, Automatic, Baddie, Ro, Charles. This is a lot of superheroes. There's a girl as a superhero. The Glitter Eye, the Feeder Club, Cosplay Club, Storybook Club, Steam Club, and that's all this. So time to unbox the girl one. And now let's open the girl. Her name is Bon Bon. Let's go open it now. She's a skater girl, and she's inside this present. We have to open her. Wow! This is so cute. Oh. Ooh, she's already wearing an outfit, and I should put her head back on. Oh, do you see her blush? Ah, time to do the puzzle. Look, she comes with a background. Time to do the bed. This is how we do the bed. So one here, and then on bed, and then we'll put it here. And this is how we put the bed. And then we have to put this. So there's some skates. There is a hat. There's some pink hair on this hat. There's some skates. There's some pink hair on this girl. There's a hat. There is some shorts. And here's the body. Here's the shirt. Here's a comfy beanbag. Here's a bed. Here's a water bottle. And let's start playing with it. First, we have to put the head on. And then we have to put the outfit. Ooh. And time for this. And time for this skate. time for the hat. Ooh, I can't put this hat on. Get her, she's all dressed up. And time to play with her. Ooh, I want to sleep. After she finishes sleeping, we should make her water bottle. Aww, but this doesn't have any clear. So let's go feed her water bottle. And she loves the water bottle. Oh, water going on the place. What does she do? I think she does pee. Or I think she cries, or I think she spits, or I think she color changes. I don't know. Maybe you have to find out. She spits like the boy. Okay, I want to skate around. Okay. Ooh, she's going to skate? Well, she has to go in the pool. I want to go in the pool. Okay, so we have to remove her shoes because she has to go to the pool. Oh. Remove her shoes. Oh, first we have to remove her head. Oh, her shoes are coming off. Okay, time to put her head. Ooh, I love swimming in the pool. It's so fun. Oh, the beach ball. Oh, I love drinking the seawater. Oh, there's a rubber ducky. Duck, 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 quack, 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 quack. Okay, I'll kick the ball. Kick. Oh, it went away. I need to get it. Got it. Ooh, I love this ball. It's so shiny. Oh, I want to sleep. So she wants to sleep. We must give her roller skates back on. Since she doesn't come with shoes, she comes with roller skates. Okay, she will sit on this later. I'm finished sleeping. I will sit on this comfy chair. Ooh, it looks so comfy. Oh, first I have to put my shoes, then I have to sit down. Yay! Time to sit down. Look at her sitting. She is relaxed. Since when she is sitting, we should give her her water bottle. So bye again. I will fill her water bottle again. Bye. Ooh, look at her relaxing. Time to give her her water bottle. I want to eat some toast. Oh, she wants to eat some toast. These are yummy food. Oh, she wants to sleep again? Okay, time to give her a water bottle again. And oh, some water fell down. Some night in water. She's getting night in water. She wants to sleep in water. She always wants to sleep in water. So the video almost ended. Oh, there's some water on her hair. So this is the end of the video. When I was 2 years old, I loved playing with LOL dolls, and I loved this LOL doll. So I got this from my Aunt Rania. So, bye! If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and support me.